Hello, welcome to the Virtual Open House. Stands for Mastering the Art of Yoga Sequencing, a mentorship membership, and it's delicious. So I like to call it by its initials, I'm Sage Rountree, and I am so glad you're here. If you are exhausted from working twice as hard as other yoga teachers for half the recognition, if you are spending your entire weekend anxious about planning classes while other teachers seem to knock it out in way under an hour, if you're quietly wondering if you're the only one who feels like they're faking it this badly, you're in exactly the right place, and you are definitely not alone. Here's what nobody tells you after your 200-hour training. YTT teaches you the ingredients and the basic techniques, but it doesn't teach you how to actually cook. You know what the poses are, you understand some anatomy, but when Sunday evening rolls around and it's time to plan Monday's class, that blank page is terrifying. You're caught in what I call the planning confidence cycle. Either you spend hours overthinking every transition and second-guessing your choices, or you wing it and worry the whole time that you're going to bore your students or hurt someone. Your effort should make you better at teaching, not worse at living. And that's not just philosophy, it's measurably real. Over the next 20 minutes or so, I'm going to give you a real taste of what it's like inside mastering the art of yoga sequencing. Not a sales pitch, an actual experience of the serve method that's going to take you from overwhelmed to confident. You'll see the framework that lets you plan a balanced, effective class in under an hour without second-guessing yourself. You will hear from teachers who have been exactly where you are. And you'll get a clear picture of how this 6-month mentorship will change everything about how you teach. This isn't like reading a sales page. This is an open house. You're touring the virtual kitchen where you'll be learning how to cook as a yoga teacher. So grab a cup of tea or your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get started.